welcome back to my channel. So like I said, I really wanted just to give you guys kind of an update on how my eyebrows are healing. So I just wanted to pop on really quick. I'm only gonna do like little snippets from each day. So this is day 1. They honestly look pretty good. Obviously they still look very bold, but that is natural. I'm really excited for them to calm down a lot and just look a bit more natural. Obviously they will eventually get to that point, but it'll just take a bit of time. But yeah, I'm really liking them. It's just really nice to be able to have brows and just not worry. I don't even have to like wake up and be like, oh, I don't have my brows on, but they're already on. So yeah, I really like it in that aspect. Yeah, I will probably check back in with you guys in about a day. Not about a day, in a day. So tomorrow, yeah, I'll see you soon. What up? It is day 2 of getting them done, and I must say they look really good. I'm actually getting used to how dark they are and I actually really like it. So I'm actually really interested to see how much they're really gonna lighten up. But I can kind of tell on this one, there's a little scabbing starting right here as I poke myself in the eye. Starting right here. Just a little bit, but it's normal. I mean, it's a tattoo, so they're gonna do that. But yeah, I'm loving them. The healing process is actually going really good so far. So fingers crossed it stays that way. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated and see you on day 3. Hi guys, what is up? It is the 3rd day of healing now. I got them done on Monday and it is currently Wednesday. So like I said, I'm just doing another checkup. Every time I do this, I'm literally in a car driving, so that's great. But today I actually put makeup on. Obviously I was super careful. I had to go like around the brow, and I didn't do like the normal full out makeup I usually do. I just did like my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, just because I figured that was gonna be way easier for me to work around my brows than with my real full out glam makeup. Let me show you guys what they look like. I'm behind a gravel truck right now and I'm pissed off because a bunch of gravel is literally flying at my windshield, so that's great. Here they are. They're healing pretty good. I'm getting a little bit more of like patchiness on like the inner part. You can kind of see where it's peeling a bit more just because it is a tattoo and that's what happens. But no, I really like them and I'm just really excited until they're fully healed. Yeah. I want them to lighten up, but at the same time, like, I'm really getting used to how dark they are. And I kind of hope that like this part stays dark, but like the inner part, like maybe right here, gets a little bit lighter, you know? But yeah, I definitely will keep updating you guys on how it's healing. And yeah, see you soon. Hi guys, so I haven't been filming my brows every single day just because there wasn't like a whole lot of change. I mean, yes and no. But I figured I would just kind of fast forward. It is now Tuesday of next week, so it's been a week and a day since I got them done. So let's show you what they look like. They look really good. They're nice and healed now. I honestly think they're fully healed and that they're not gonna peel anymore. Like, this is the color. I really like how they turned out. Obviously, I got so used to how dark they were right away that I'm kind of tempted to go darker during my touch-up and just kind of fix up the spots that obviously didn't heal as well as the other places, which is completely normal. And I feel like my skin is so oily that I was bound to have a couple spots like that that just weren't 100% how I wanted. But in the end, I love them. I'm so happy I got them done. I'm excited for having brows without makeup. and they honestly look so natural, and I love it. I was actually worried that they weren't gonna look natural, but they look so good, and I'm so happy. And yeah, I just figured I would kind of close out this video. If you did like my video of how they healed, and if you have any other questions, if you're thinking of getting them, make sure to comment below. I will comment back, I always do. I'm open to any questions you guys have. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday, unless I tell you guys otherwise on my Instagram, which is right here. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.